Well, hello everybody. Harrison Painter here. This is my AI Founders Diary. 3 months. We got to celebrate 3 months being an AI solopreneur, and it's been a pretty wild ride, that's for sure. But what I want to share with you on this particular journal entry is the power of video and why YouTube video is so important, but I fully understand why so many people fail at it. For June, July, August, I committed to doing a video every business day, basically 60 videos for the 3 months. That was the goal. Well, I'm happy to say I did 62 videos over the course of that time frame, and we had 117 shorts that went out. And I'm going to share with you some of the amazing stats here, and then I'll talk a bit about the roller coaster that was. But again, 62 long form videos, 117 shorts that garnered 331,500 plus views. The watch time was 6,100 hours. That's pretty amazing. Subscribers, we added 2,400 subscribers over the last 3 months. Our current subscribers are 4,522. And just in the last 48 hours, we've had 3,500 views. So now I'll say this, June, we came out swinging, man. I mean, videos, we had a video that did over 40,000 views. It was incredible, a lot of engagement. But the minute that it got monetized, it felt like we hit a brick wall. And I did deeper research on it, and it appears that this is a fairly common thing that happens. New channels, they get monetized, and all of a sudden it just feels like they're almost ghosted or just completely shut off for some reason. But that's why it's important just to keep going and keep going and keep going. Because again, these stats, they speak for themselves. So I'm really, really happy and proud of that. Now, revenue, what opportunities came from all this? And I will say almost all opportunities that I've got in the last 3 months have been because of these videos. People saw them, people talked about them. It was just, in their stream, whatever that was, and good opportunities came. So far in the last 2 months, because I already did a video for June, we've had 3 job offers. We've had 2 job discussions, 4 paid workshops. I've been asked to be an adjunct trainer at Ivy Tech to do a 24-hour certification course. I'm developing 7 different AI agents, and I've had 6 speaking opportunities come up, 4 of them paid, 1 for the American Marketers Association, AMA. I'm going to be doing a panel, and then 1 for IFN, which is the Indiana Filmmakers Network. So I'm really excited for all of those opportunities. And there's a lot more in the loop too. Now, am I going to continue doing videos every day? Probably not, because I'm getting busy, but we're going to keep rolling, probably at least 2 to 3 a week. I'm still going to try to do 1 a day, but it'll probably be 2 or 3 per week. I definitely want to start doing 1 journal entry at least per week, if not more. And here's why, because the journal is going to change a little bit. Launch Ready AI itself is going to be creating a product, and that product is going to be focused on mental health, on physical health, on spiritual health, all of those different things. And I'm not going to go too deep into it in this video, but I'm the case study for the next 30 days. So I've got my AI trained. It's all rolling. We are going to focus on losing some weight over the next 30 days, blocking all of our time, being more productive, generating more revenue, making sure that we are good with the big guy there upstairs, that we're starting our mornings off with prayer in the Bible, that we're doing some meditation, that we're doing exercise every day, that we're doing blocked work time to make sure that we are very productive. When we are in work mode, we have that focus. We are focused on spending plenty of time with friends, with family. I've got 3 beautiful dogs here that I want to spend time with, and just really focused on living a great, happy, joyful, productive, prosperous lifestyle. And that's what this app, this AI app, this AI agent that I'm working on is going to do. And I'm going to share all the progress that I have there. So also, this channel here used to be a carnivore channel. I kind of played around with that for a while. And the diet that the AI gave me is basically a carnivore style diet. Now, it is giving me some greens for my micronutrients and all that, but I would say 80% of this diet is carnivore. So that's pretty interesting as well. It picked my supplements, my exercises, everything based on my age, my weight, my height, gender, all that type of stuff. So I'm really excited to start sharing that with you. Day 2, so far it's been just incredible. It's been incredible. It's given me a whole new focus. And this is September, so this is hard to say out loud. I turn 55 this month. So it just seems like a pretty good time for a solid reset to make sure that I'm as healthy as I can be at this age. And with all these opportunities that are happening all around me, I want to make sure that I am, in the best physical, mental, spiritual shape that I can possibly be in. And I want to help all of you do the same. But I'm going to be the guinea pig before we release anything. All right. Well, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, like button, leave me a comment. Let me know what you're working on. Let me know what you're struggling with. Let's build a community here and just make some great things happen. The world is so challenging right now. We're so divided and it just doesn't even seem real out there. So let's just create our own world, our own opportunities, and shut as much of that out as we can, because all it's doing is tearing us apart. And that's no good. That doesn't benefit anybody. So let's at least make the world that we're surrounded by the best it can be. And maybe we can create that ripple effect with other folks, because we were all made in the image of God, which means each and every one of you are special with certain gifts, certain talents, and you were all meant to do something. So let's figure out what that is, and let's just make it happen. All right, well, that's it for me today. My name is Harrison Painter. This has been usually your AI Daily Brief, but this was the AI Founder's Diary. And until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and most importantly, keep up. God bless you.
Thanks for listening. I'm glad you stayed. One more spark for the plans you've made. If this show hit, go share the vibe. Like, subscribe, let's build this tribe.